Okay, number 43 on page 426. Okay, and what I'm going to do instead of this is going to take up way too much room, is I'm going to go back to our original form, and I'm going to write it in this form, which would be a lot simpler. So I'm going to write this as y equals 5 times sine of x, because b is 1, plus, now c can be written as the inverse cosine of 3/5. Let me just move that down a little bit. So that's one solution. Or you can write it the other way. Y equals 5 sine x plus inverse sine of 4/5. So either one of these would be the correct answer for this problem.